Christmas emojis vocabulary. Let's go. Santa Claus, Santa Claus. Santa Claus brings joy and gifts to kids around the world. Santa Claus brings joy and gifts to kids around the world. Mrs. Claus, Mrs. Claus. Mrs. Claus is known for her kindness and Christmas cookies. Mrs. Claus is known for her kindness and Christmas cookies. Christmas tree, Christmas tree. We decorated the Christmas trees with lights and ornaments. We decorated the Christmas trees with lights and ornaments. Present, present, gift, gift. I wrapped a special gift for my best friend. I wrapped a special gift for my best friend. A snowflake, a snowflake. Each snowflake has a unique and beautiful shape. Each snowflake has a unique and beautiful shape. A snowman, a snowman. The kids build a snowman in the front yard. The kids build a snowman in the front yard. A snowman without a snow. A snowman without a snow. These emojis reminds me of winter fun and holidays. These emojis reminds me of winter fun and holidays. Bell, bell, jingle bell, jingle bell. The jingle bells ring cheerfully in the cold night. The jingle bells ring cheerfully in the cold night. Candle, candle. We had a peaceful candlelit dinner on Christmas Eve. We had a peaceful candlelit dinner on Christmas Eve. A star, a star. They placed the golden star at the top of the tree. They placed the golden star at the top of the tree. A spark, a spark. The Christmas lights sparked beautifully in the dark. The Christmas lights sparked beautifully in the dark. A stocking, a stocking. I hung my stocking above the fireplace. I hung my stocking above the fireplace. Ribbon, ribbon, bow, bow. She tied a red ribbon around the gift box. She tied a red ribbon around the gift box. Cookie, cookie. We bake warm cookies for Santa. We bake warm cookies for Santa. Glass of milk, glass of milk. Kids leave milk and cookies for Santa every year. Kids leave milk and cookies for Santa every year. Chocolate, chocolate. Hot chocolate is my favorite Christmas drink. Hot chocolate is my favorite Christmas drink. Candy, candy, candy canes are classic Christmas treat. Candy canes are classic Christmas treat. Lollipop, lollipop. The kids share the colorful Christmas lollipops. The kids shared colorful Christmas lollipops. A scarf, a scarf. I wore a warm scarf to stay cozy in the snow. I wore a warm scarf to stay cozy in the snow. Gloves, gloves. Don't forget your gloves. It's freezing outside. Don't forget your gloves. It's freezing outside. Coat, coat. My winter coat kept me warm during the snowy walk. My winter coat kept me warm during the snowy walk. Celebration, celebration. Festive, festive. We had a small but festive Christmas celebration. We had a small but festive Christmas celebration. A snowy weather, a snowy weather. It started snowing just before Christmas Eve. It started snowing just before Christmas Eve. Music, music, caroling, caroling. We listen to Christmas carols all night long. We listen to Christmas carols all night long. Santa, Santa. Kids love sending this Santa emoji in their messages. Kids love sending this Santa emoji in their messages. Christmas elf, Christmas elf. The elves help Santa prepare all the gifts. The elves help Santa prepare all the gifts. Reindeer, reindeer. The reindeer flew across the night sky with Santa. The reindeer flew across the night sky with Santa. Magic, magic, holiday magic, holiday magic. There's something magical about Christmas night. There's something magical about Christmas night. Sparkler, sparkler, holiday fireworks. The sparkler made the celebration even brighter. The sparkler made the celebration even brighter. House with lights, house with lights. The whole neighborhood decorated their houses with Christmas lights. The whole neighborhood decorated their houses with Christmas lights. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.